Hello. Hello.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. Good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon. So, Michelle, previous class, in the previous period, we were discussing about the balancing equation method. No, we were discussing the homework, isn't it? First period, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And I think we completed it. That set of problems
Yes.
using balancing equation method, right? Yes. Okay, so come fast, children. We can start with the same set of problems. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain in another way. It's a shortcut for getting the answer easily. Children, what is done is balancing actually, but without balancing, we are transposing the equation. Okay, we are transposing the equation and finding the answer. It's like that.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon, all of you. All of you switch on your videos. Switch on, please. Switch on your videos. Adishwar, Stina, Sanaika. So children, what we are going to do today, it is same set of problems which I have explained with the balancing equations. We are going to study how to transpose the numbers and find the solution easily. Okay, so let us start. These were the problems which we have done in the last video, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you know how to balance the equation and find out the answer, correct? How to balance the equation
Yes, ma'am.
and find out the answer. Now what I'm going to do is I'm explaining to you how to transpose the numbers in the left side and find the solution easily. So let us check how to do it. First problem, children, it is x minus 1. I'll just zoom in. Zoom out. Okay. First problem, it was this. That is x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. When when I'm transposing the number, this minus 1 I will transpose to this side. Why? I am going to find the value of x, isn't it? I
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
find the value of x. So
Yes, ma'am.
x should stand alone. I want to get x alone on the left side. So what I will do, what is remaining here? Minus 1. That I will take or transpose to the right side. So what will happen? Or if it is subtracted on the left side, it will be added to the right side. If it is added on the left side, when it is taken to the right side, it will be subtracted. That is the rule. If it is divided on the left side, opposite operation. If it is divided on the left side, it will become multiplied on the right side. Clear? If it is multiplied on the left side, when you take to the right side, it will be divided. Or numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. Keep these things in your mind. Okay. Now listen, children. X minus 1 is equal to 0. I'll take this minus 1 to the other side. So left side, what is there? X equals 0. When I take this to this side, it becomes plus 1. So x is equal to what? We got it easily, 1. Within one step, you got the answer, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you have to, then next step is cross checking. You have to see whether your answer is correct or not. What you have to do is simply substitute this number in the problem. Problem was this. Substitute this answer, that is x is equal to 1 in this problem. So x is equal to 1 means put 1 instead of x. Then what you will get? You will get left side also 0, right side also 0. Isn't it? So
Yes, ma'am.
the equation is satisfied. This is known as method of transposing the numbers. transposing the equation. The equation on the left side, some part of it or the numbers on it is taken to the right side. Now next problem we can see. Next one. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, Nivedita, can you tell me the answer? How are you going to proceed with this?
We shift one. We shift positive one to
Right
this
side.
right side, and then we yeah, x equals 0 plus 1,
It will become,
and so x equals positive 1 is the answer.
go through it once more. What is the question given? I told you one thing you have to remember. When you shift plus 1 to the other side, what will happen? I told you, you have to
-1.
minus
Negative
1.
one.
So 0, this is x plus 1. When you shift to the other side, it becomes minus 1.
-1.
So what is x? X is equal
So
to
negative 1.
negative 1. Understood? Now another
Yes.
problem we can see. Next problem. Next one. Next is, I'll give you x minus 1 is equal to 5. Sian Fatima, can you tell me how to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
X equals
Hmm.
5 plus 1.
Yes. 5 plus 1. Very good. So what is x?
6.
6. Good.
Equals 6.
So x is equal to 6. You got the answer. Okay. Next, Yahan. Yahan came. Yahan is there. Yahan Dinesh is there? No. Okay.
Ihan is there.
Ihan is there.
Ma'am, Ihan is there.
Ihan, tell me the next one. X plus 6 is equal to 2. How will you do it? By transposing?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah, wait.
Ma'am,
Yahan, tell
X.
me.
First you say like
X is
X
equal to?
plus 6 is equal to
Okay. Then next step. X is equal to?
X is equal to 6 minus 2.
We have
Equal to 4.
transposing 6 to the other side. Then how come 6 will be the first one? 2 is already there. You cannot shift it. X is equal to how much? X is added on the left side. So when you take it to the right side, it becomes?
Ma'am,
4. X is 4.
I want to know what will you do with this 6?
ma'am,
6 you are transposing to the right side. So what will be on the right side? Write the step first.
ma'am, I didn't understand.
Who is speaking?
Aaron.
Aaron, you came just now. You are too late. Isn't
No,
it?
ma'am. No, I came just
I
now.
came just now only you came. I have admitted you.
Ma'am, there was a problem. I couldn't hear anything.
So Yahan, tell me what to do with this. X plus 6 is equal to 2.
Shift this is
So you are
we
transposing
should
6
change
to the other side, no? So what will be on the
Yes.
right side?
minus
What minus what?
2 minus
2 minus 6. It is 2 minus 6. Don't
So
put
negative
this 6 here first. 6 won't come first because 2 is already there.
4.
From 2,
So
you have to
negative
subtract
4.
6.
Negative 4.
So answer is what?
Negative
Negative 4.
4.
Answer is minus 4. You know how minus 4 came? This is plus and this is minus. So what it is? Two different signs. Then two different signs come.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Find the difference and put
greatest
the
number.
sign at the greater number. Okay. So if you want to cross check, you can put in the equation. We got answer as x is equal to 4, no? So just put x is equal to 4 in this equation, children. What will you get? Negative 4 plus 6, isn't it? So that is equal to 2. What is on the left side? Left side, what you will get? Negative 4 plus 6. It is
2.
2. 2 is equal to 2. So left side became equal to the right side. Isn't it? So our answer is correct. You have cross-checked. Okay. Now let us see the next one. Yes. Next question. We can do this one, children. Y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. Y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. Do it yourself. I'll call you. Do it yourself. Y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. Question is, y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. Okay, Michelle, can you tell me? Y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. How will you do it?
Is the answer -3?
No, I want the step. Next step.
Negative 7
First, tell the left hand side. When you write the answer, always left hand side and right hand side should be there. What is left hand side? We have to transpose this to this side, right side. So, what is on left side then? Okay.
-7 plus 4.
Yes, Sian, come on. What is there on left side? We have transposing this
Y.
negative 4 to the right side. So, y.
Y equals
Yes, y is equal to
negative 7 plus
7 plus
4. Isn't it? This will come on the other side. Okay, 7 is already there. You cannot change. Negative 7 plus 4. Okay, so we can do the problem. What is the answer now?
negative
3.
Negative 3. So y is equal to negative 3. You can substitute in this equation and check, children, whether your answer is correct or not. So put y is equal to negative 3. Negative 3 minus 4. Will you get negative 7?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So right hand side and left hand side is equal. So our equation, our answer is correct. Our solution is correct. Okay, now next problem. Next problem. It is next problem I'll give to Adidev, this one. Y minus 4 is equal to 4. How will you do?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am, y is equal to 4 plus 4.
4 plus 4. Very good. Y is equal to how much now?
Ma'am, 0.
Y 4 plus 4 is 0.
Ma'am,
Sorry,
8.
not 4 plus 8.
Y is
8.
equal to 8. Okay. So this is the way you are transposing the numbers on the left side. Okay. Transposing and finding out the solution. First method,
Next one.
balancing equation method, you can forget now. You have to proceed with this method. Method of transposing. Which is easy, children? Balancing or this one?
ma'am, transposing.
Transposing is easier, isn't it? Huh?
Yes.
We are not thinking of anything which is to be subtracted and all. We are just shifting this number to the right side. Okay, so this should come on the second, otherwise it is wrong. This is already there. You cannot change the place of that 4 to right and all. So that is already there. We are shifting this number to the right side of the equation. So negative will become positive, positive will become negative, denominator will become numerator, numerator will become denominator. You have to keep it in mind. Okay. Now, let us check what happens when division and multiplication come, children. Okay, one more problem is there, that also we can complete, then proceed. Right? Okay, and
Can I do the
you
next one?
try, Anlin, this one, y plus 4 is equal to minus 4.
Y plus 4 is equal to minus.
Which number you will take to the right? Shift, which one, which number you are transposing?
Y is equal to
Can I say
minus 4.
Minus 4. Y is equal to which number you have to transpose now?
Ma'am, 4.
This, isn't it? So this you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
transposing here. So what is there on the right side?
Plus.
This is already plus here. So when you put it on
Yes,
the other
ma'am.
side, it will become
Ma'am, minus.
minus 4. So we got y is equal to how much now? Minus 4 plus minus 4. There is a plus in between. You imagine like that. When two negatives come, you have to add and put negative sign.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So what is the answer?
Ma'am, 8.
What 8? Simply 8 or?
Ma'am, minus 8. Minus 8.
So answer is negative 8. You can check, children. Y plus 4 is equal to negative 4. So instead of y, I can put this, no? We got the value of y. So negative 8 plus 4 is equal to negative 4. Isn't it? So what is it correct? Negative 8 plus 4,
Yes,
what will
ma'am.
you get? 4.
Yes, ma'am.
So left hand side become equal to the right hand side.
Right hand side.
So your solution is correct. This is called method of transposing. Okay. And now let us check. This is about addition and subtraction. You understood, no? When you transpose a number from left side, if it is plus, it will become minus. If it is minus, it will become plus. That means if it is subtracted on the left side, it will be added to the right side. If it is added to the left side, it will become subtracted in the right side. Okay. So next problem we can see, that is this next set of problems is based on division and multiplication. Look at this. Now this problem. Give first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Okay. 3L is equal to 42. Here, you see, children, this is 3 times L is equal to 42. What do you mean by 3 times L? How will you write it?
3 into L.
L.
3 into L is
into
equal to
L.
42. Isn't it? So 3 is numerator here, multiplied here. So if I want to make L alone, we want to find the value of L. So you have to remove all the numbers along with L. So what should I do to remove L here? You have to
Ma'am,
remove
3
3
to
from
42.
here, isn't it? 3 is multiplied. So you will take this to shift this to this side. Now what happens? 3 is numerator, here it will become denominator. So L is equal to 42 divided by 3. It will become 42 divided by 3. Because it was multiplied on the left side, isn't it? 3 was multiplied on the left side. When you take it to the other side, it becomes divided by, or numerator on the left side will become denominator when you take to the right side. When you transpose to the right side. So what will be the answer? Directly you got the answer. L is equal to how much?
14.
14.
40. We shall see the next problem. After doing the problems only, it will be clear, children, because this is it is very easy if you are listening. Okay. Okay. Next, Vivian, can you try this one? See.
Yes, ma'am.
P by 7 is equal to 4. P by 7 is equal to 4.
Ma'am, 4 multiplied by 7.
Very good. So P is equal to, we will take the 7 to this side. So this is denominator here. It will become multiplied there. So what is P?
Ma'am, 28.
28. Answer.
28
Okay,
is
that's
answer.
all. It is very easy. P is equal to 4 into 7, 28. Clear? Next problem. See, next problem. Okay, now I'll call, yes, Abhinav Sajan, can you answer this one?
Yes,
B by 2 is equal to 6. Yes.
Ma'am, 3.
Ah, B by 2
Ma'am,
is
8.
6. Okay.
Ma'am, 8.
B is equal to B. We 2 we have to remove from here.
Ma'am,
No?
can I tell?
So B is equal to how much?
2 into 6.
2 into 6. No, 6 into 2 you have to write. Okay. You have to put it other side. If you do 2 into 6, no problem, but it will
12.
become a habit.
12.
Add also, you do the same. So 6 into 2. So what is B?
12.
Answer.
12.
Okay. Now the next one, Michelle. Yes, next one. 8y is equal to 36. 8y is equal to 36.
8 into 10 is equal to 36. 8 into y
Yes, Michelle,
is
where are
equal
you? Answer it.
Ma'am, I'm doing the question.
8y is equal to 36. So what you have to do?
8
Which number you have to
divided by
transpose? Which number you have to transpose to the other side? Yes? Anybody else can answer?
Ma'am, B is equal to 6 into 2.
That is over, no? This
Ma'am,
one is 8. Yes, Nivedita?
We need to transpose 8.
8 to this other side.
Yeah.
So,
So
y is equal to
36
how much?
Y equal to 36 by 8.
So
Divided by 8.
36
y equals
by
36 by 8.
8. That's all. Okay. If you can divide, you can divide and write. No problem. Otherwise, you can leave it there. No problem. You will get the marks.
I got
Yes.
the answer.
Yes.
4.5.
Okay. 8 into 4, 32 you will get, isn't it? Yes. You can write like that, or if you do like this also, it is no problem. You will get the answer. Okay. Next one, it is this one, children. For 4x is equal to 25. 4x is equal to 25. I want, yes. Rolls, can you answer? Come on. Rolls, M. Francis. No. Gautam Krishna, where are you? Payas? Aaron Jomi, come on. Aaron? Nobody is there. Emil Lijo? Emil? Emil, can you answer this? 4x is equal to 25.
4 into x is equal to 25.
Yes. So, what is x?
4 divided by 25.
Is it 4 divided
25 divided by 4.
Till now, what was explained? Which number you will take to this side, isn't it? So x alone on this side, x is equal to 25 by 4. What is multiplied on the left side will become divided by. Numerator becomes denominator when you take to the other side. You are not listening to what is said. Simply, Sanaika, next question, can you tell me? Yes, this one. Sanaika, this one. This question, children. A by 5 is equal to 7 by 15. What will you do? A. How to find A from this?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, I can hear you. Tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the value of A here? All of you do it. I'll ask anybody else if she cannot answer. Tanaika, what is A? Which number we have to shift to the right side? Which number we have to shift to the right side now? Right hand side. Tell me which number you have to shift to the right side. What is there to think? It is written on the board, no? Which number you have to shift so that A remains alone. We want the variable. A is the variable. So which number you have to shift to the right side?
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, 7 by 15 into 5.
A is equal to 7 by
Yeah.
15 into 5. Because this is denominator here. When you take it to this side, it becomes the numerator. So what will you get? A is equal to 35 by 15. You can reduce it and write. Okay. Divide both by
7 by
15.
3.
Yes. So what will you
7.
get?
7 by 3.
So 7 by 3 you will get as answer when you divide it by 5. Okay, divide both sides by 5. So answer you will get 7 by 3. 7 by 3. Okay, now next question. Yes, next question I'll call. Stina, can you answer? No. Adi Ishwar? Not available. Yes. Fayas is there? No. Okay. Aradhya? Aradhya is absent. Harin, come on. Harin.
Yeah, ma'am, which question?
This next question, which one? This one. Z by 3 is equal to 5 by 4. Z is equal to how much?
Z is equal to 5 by 4
Hmm.
into 3.
Correct.
15
The
by
3
4.
we took to the other side because it is coming to the right side. It is denominator on this
15
side,
by
it
4.
becomes numerator to the other side. So we'll get Z is equal to
15 by 4.
15 by 4. As
Or
answer. 15 by 4 as the answer. Okay. Now next question. Adi Dev, can you answer the next question?
yes.
Come on. Adi Dev. Adi Dev is present.
Ma'am, his video stuff.
Video is there.
And his video is
His
stuck.
video
I
is
think
stuck.
he's facing some network issues.
Ma'am,
Okay, Rida Masin. Savio. Savio and Sandra is there, no? Savio, come on, answer it.
Ma'am, now
20t is equal to negative 10. How are you going to answer it? Hmm?
Ma'am, 10 by 20.
10 by 20. What 10 by t is equal to negative? There is negative 10.
Negative 10 divided
Right?
by 20.
20.
Equal to
So
negative
t is
20.
equal to how much you will get? We can reduce it, no? Common factor, divide, which is the common factor here?
Negative 2.
Common factor.
2.
2.
Negative 2.
Is it the highest common factor which will be there? It is clear from here.
And 5.
5.
5.
5.
10 is the common factor, no? Highest common factor
Yes,
can be
ma'am.
10. 10. Divide both by 10. Okay. So you can divide both by 10. 10 by 10. So what will you get? Negative 1 by
2.
negative 10 divided by 10, negative 1. 20 divided by 10, 2.
2.
So answer is negative 1 by 2.
2.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These are the basic things which you have to understand before doing the equations. So is it clear, children? What
Yes,
you
ma'am.
should do when addition comes, subtraction comes, multiplication comes, division comes. Okay, when you transpose addition on the left side, if the number is added to the left side, it becomes subtracted on the right side. When if it is multiplied on the left side, it becomes divided by on the other side. Numerator becomes denominator when you take to the other side. And also the signs will change. That's what, if it is negative here on this side, it becomes positive there on the other side. But if you take the numbers for division and multiplication, signs will not change. Okay. We don't take the sign to the next side. But if you take, suppose it is a minus 7 is equal to 3. You take the sign also, a is equal to 3 plus 7. Okay. Now, is it clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
How, what to do
Yes,
when
ma'am.
these are all simple equations. Okay, these are all simple equations, children. So what is your time? 2:20, no? 1:40 to 2:20 is the time. So I'll take attendance, children.
Okay,
So is
ma'am.
it clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So next
ma'am.
next day we'll be doing both together. The problems will contain both addition as well as division and multiplication. Such equations are there. So you should be able to do that. Okay. Okay. So I'll give you homework based on this. So when you do the homework, you will get more practice in it. Okay. Yes, children. So I'll take attendance. Huh?